Good morning, children. Sairam. Welcome back after the FF4. Hope you all are good and safe at your place. Hope FF4 was good and you all enjoyed solving all the questions. And I also hope that you all have finished your this all the work in all the subjects. So let's begin with new chapter. As we all know that in maths we have completed chapter number 11, that is area and its boundary. This chapter we have completed and I hope that all of you have completed your work till this chapter, that is chapter number 11. Now after that chapter number 12 is there, that is smart charts. We will skip this chapter. We will not do this chapter as it is not in syllabus. Now we'll come to chapter number 13, that is ways to multiply and divide. Ways to multiply and divide. So first of all we will study in this chapter how to multiply. So as you all know how to multiply, we have learned in the primary classes also how to multiply, yes or no? So before starting the chapter, let's study a small story of a person. His name is Mani Ratnam and he is the cashier. Yes, Mani Ratnam and he is the cashier. Well, who is cashier? Cashier, who is cashier? Who takes care of the money? Who keeps the record of all the money? So that person is what? That person is known as the cashier. So in this, Mani Ratnam is a cashier and he is the cashier of King Jayan, and his job is to find out the salary of all the people who work for the king. Now, as you can see in this chart shows the person and the salaries in a day. Yes, person and salary in one day. So, minister. So, minister is paid 195 in one day. Minister of King Jayan's court is paid 195 in one day. Horse rider is paid 76 in one day, rupees 76 in one day, and the cook is paid rupees 65 in one day. Now from this chart you have to find out something. So what's you have to find? You have to find that Mani Ratnam wanted to calculate the salary of cook for the month of January. Now you have to find the salary of the cook. As you can see, the cook is getting 65 rupees a day. He is getting 65 rupees in a one day, and you have to find the salary for how many days? One month, that is month of January. And in the month of January, how many days are there? Yes, in the month of January, 31 days are there. So we will multiply 65 by 31. We will get the salary of the cook. So let's see. So in your book it is done like this. In your book it is done like this. So how they have done this? So let's see this one also. This you must have studied in third class. If not, then see this thing very carefully. So here you can see the two numbers were 65 and the other one was 31. So they have broken 65 as 60 plus 5. 60 plus 5, and we can break 31 as 30 plus 1. Yes or no? So 60 written this side and 5 also this side. And 31 for 31, 30 and 1 is there. So 30 on this side and 1 on this side. So we can see it is 60 plus 5, 65, and 30 plus 1, it is 31. Okay, now what you have to do? It's very easy. Just you have to take care of few things. First of all, you have to multiply. Let me erase all the things. Now first of all, what you have to do, you have to multiply this 30 by 60. So when you will multiply 30 and 60, it will be 60 and 30, same thing. It will be 6 multiplied by 3, it is 6 3s are 18, and how many zeros? 1 and 2. So 2 zeros, 1800. So we will write here 1800. Now after this, it is 30 multiplied by 5. Now we will multiply 30 by 5. This will be 150. Now after this box and this box is complete. Now we'll take the 1 here. First of all, we have to multiply 1 by 60. We'll get the answer. 60 multiplied by 1 is 60. We will write in this box. Now after this, we will multiply 1 by 5. So we will get 5 multiplied by 1, that is 5. Okay. So this way we can write these. Now we will see in the first column we get the answer 1800. In the second one we got 150. In the third box we got 60. In the fourth box we got 5. So we will add all these things. We will get 2015. So what is the total salary of the cook? It is 2015. We can also find this by the simple multiplication, but you should also know this type of multiplication. As you can see, it was very easy. Let's quickly recap this. First of all, you have to make factors of whatever is given. It was given 65. We wrote it like this: 60 plus 5. Similarly, 31 was there. We wrote that as 30 plus 1. Then 60 and 5 we will write here on the top, and 30 and 1 here on this side, vertical and horizontal side. After this, what we will do? We will multiply 30 by 60. Write the answer in the first column. Then 30 by 5 we will write the answer in the second column. Then 1 by 60 we will write in the third column, and 1 multiplied by 5 we will write in the fourth column. And then after this we will add all these numbers, digits, and we will get the total answer. Is it okay? Okay. Now this method you have learned. So in your maths activity book, that is on page number 82, as you can see, ways to multiply and divide, chapter number 13 in your maths activity book, you will do these questions. As you can see, these fill in the blanks are given and boxes are already made. You have to just solve them and add them. So how you will do? As you can see, it is 26 and 22. So you have this separated: 26 as 20 plus 6 and 22 as 20 and 2. So after that you have to multiply them. How you will multiply? 20 multiplied by 20, 400. 20 multiplied by 6, 120. Here 2 multiplied by 20, 40. Now 2 multiplied by 6, it is 12. So what will come in this box? 12 will come in this box. So after this you have to add them. Similarly, you have to solve this. 4 to the 8, what will come? 800 will come in this box. Okay, now here what will come? 7 4 the 28, 280 will come in this box. And then after that you will add them. You will write the 2 digits here also, and you will add them. Similarly, you have to solve the third and fourth one also. Now let's see the next one. Now for solving the questions, same thing, as we know that a simple method is also there, as we were doing, as we have always done the simple method. So Mani Ratnam's daughter Bela is there, and she learned another method of multiplying. So she did like the question and like this, means 60 multiplied by 35, 65 multiplied by 35, 31, like this. As you can see here, it is this simple multiplication as we do. It is 5 multiplied by 1, 5, 1 multiplied by 6, 6, 3 multiplied by 5, 5, and carry 1, 6 3s are 18 and 19. Then you have to add this will be 5, this will be 5 plus 5, 1, this will be 0, and this will be 2. So 2015 is the answer, and this in the previous one also we got the answer as 2015, means whatever method we adopt will get the same answer. So in this thing, these are very simple. First thing you have to keep in mind that whatever you are getting the here 195 you are getting. So 195 multiplied by 1 you have to write here. Then 195 in the next one, 195 multiplied by 3 and 0 you have to make this 30. So it is like this you have to write. Now let's see the next one. So in your book only, on page number 171 in your books, you have to do the practice time. You have to use Bela's method for multiplication. So Bela's method of multiplication, this is Bela's method of multiplication, the simple multiplication you have to do. And you have to fill this one, and this question number 2, do these in your notebook. You have to do these in your notebooks using the Bela's method. Is it okay? So you have to do all these questions by Bela's method. Now after this, flip your page to page number 172. Here you can see Santaram, a special cook. Santaram is a special cook, and Santaram is a special cook who come only on party days. So Santaram is a cook and he is only called on the party days. You know, on party days what we make? Special dishes. So for these dishes, he's called on the party days. Last year he was called for only 28 days, and last year he was only called for 28 days. For each day he has to be paid 165, and for each day and for coming every day he takes 165 per day. So you have to find that when he came for 28 days, also what would be his salary. So as you know, for one day he takes how many rupees? 165. And so for 28 days, how much he will take? 165 multiplied by 28. Children, keep one thing in mind, that when you are given for one day, whatever you have to when one day or one thing cost or anything is given, only one, and you have to find for more. More means multiply you have to do in that case. Okay, as in this case salary of one day is given and you have to find for more days, means 28 days. So in this case you have to do the multiplication and you get the answer 4620. Similarly, if it is called for all days in the year, now it is said that instead of 28 days, if he is called for all the days in the year. So in a year how many days are there? In 1 year how many days are there? 365. So we will multiply 165 by 365. You all have to do this and you will get the answer. So you will get the answer similar like this. Okay, so you will get the answer. It is very easy, you can do it by yourself. Now let's see the other things. This we have done. Now the next one is the question number 3. Now find the salaries of the minister and the horse rider for 1 year. You have to find the salaries of the minister and the horse rider. So as we have studied in the first part, the Mani Ratnam 1, what is the salary of minister for one day? It is 195, and horse rider it is 76. And you have to find for 1 year, and in 1 year how many days are there? 365 days are there. So we will multiply 365 by 195, and similarly we will multiply 365 by 76. We will get the 1 year salary of both the person. Is it clear? So like this you have to do these questions. Okay, now this is all for today. After that you have to complete these questions till next video. Till then, take care. Sai Ram.